What's the most unethical parenting hack you know? I'm not sure if this qualifies as unethical, but my kids sure thought it did. When both my sons were young, they had difficulty gaining weight. It wasn't that they weren't eating, they were eating a ton, but their metabolisms were just too fast. After going to the doctor a couple of times for advice, one recommendation was to give them milkshakes every morning. This would pack in the calories and help them put on weight more easily. I began adding chocolate-flavored protein powders and frozen spinach to the milkshakes daily. One morning, they caught me throwing the spinach into the blender and they had a meltdown. They looked at me like I had betrayed them, accusing me of trying to poison their precious chocolate drinks. I quickly lied, saying this was the first time I'd trying it and promised not to do it again. The next morning, I added it anyway, along with some chocolate chips as a special treat to make up for the previous day. It was adorable when they came up to me, telling me it was the best milkshake I'd ever made, with tiny green bits of spinach stuck in their teeth. They're now in their 20s and are nearly a head taller than me and my husband.